How to use coupons on Temu. First of all, open Temu, and after that what you need to do is to tap on the U section, the middle down, and tap on coupons and offers, and from here we have unused coupons, and we have used, and we have expired. And if you have coupon from here, and if you want to use it, just enter coupon code here in the search box and tap on apply. And after that you should see discounts and offers. And after, the second thing is to tap on categories from here on the categories section. Search from here in the box, search on the code you have. For example, I have this code, and tap on search. And after you insert your code from here, you should see from here bundles and get offers, and pretty much that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.